Good morning, 7th standard. This is Mrs. Sheela here, your biology class. Long time I didn't see you. That's why I thought I changed the mode of teaching today. How are you all? I hope everybody is fine and happy. I'm also very fine and happy. Okay? Shall we go to the new lesson? After respiration, we are going to the new lesson connected with the lesson respiration. Respiration is nothing but breathing and producing energy. How it went on, all that you have learned last lesson. Now, the next lesson is transportation in animals and plants. I divided the word purposely. Just look at the word transport. Transport, means of transport, you have learnt in 2nd standard. You know the purpose of transport. What is the meaning? It can carry anything. It can be a material, or it can be a living thing, or it can be anything, whatever material, vegetables, fruits, chemicals, or one person travels from one place to another place. Mode of travel may be differ. Some may travel by car, some may travel by bus, some may travel by aeroplane or by bullock cart. It all depends on. Transport means carrying something. Just keep register in your mind. Carrying something, distributing something, taking from one place to another place. That is the meaning of transport. Here also same meaning. I am not going to change the meaning. Here, what I am going to change is not human being. Here the transport is the food. What is in the food? What all you need? That is oxygen, plus you have to take hormones, then energy, that is the food from you get. This is all should be taken in. The other part, CO2, that is excess water. All this have to be sent out. That is also has to be transport. See here, something has to go in, something has to go out. This is the meaning of transportation. Now, again I'll repeat. Transport is nothing but sending or carrying or giving to someone or somebody. Here, we are going to give it to the tissues and cells. What are we giving? It can be O2 or it can be food. All together, hormones, water, everything, it goes to the body. Then from there, it has to come out. The waste has to come out. That is also through transport system only. CO2 plus excess water, all that unwanted material has to be sent out. That is called transportation. It is done in all animals and plants. Now I am going to tell you in single celled. What are the single celled organisms? You have learned. I will give a nice picture for you. Amoeba, Euglena, Paramecium. All these are single cell. Totally one cell. You have learnt about it very well. You know it. But the way of transport of food, how it is happening, you have learnt about diffusion. Diffusion is nothing but just look at the chart. Diffusion is the movement of particles from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. See, you have learnt about everything made up of molecules. You have learnt, call back your 4th standard, 5th standard. Everything is made up of molecules. These molecules, when heavy molecules will come down, naturally the other molecule will go up and occupy the lighter place. The same way, these molecules move from higher concentration to the lower concentration areas. That is called diffusion. This is happening through a semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. What is semi-permeable? See, that is not totally, you cannot send it. Like a sieve. It will filter it and send it. That is called osmosis. Dear children, don't look for these words in your book. It is not there. Osmosis is a process that is filtering off anything through a semi-permeable membrane. Diffusion is the same process, but it is happening in the smaller, that is lower single celled organisms. See, this here is the concentrated part. From here started moving to the lower concentrated area. Why it is going like that? Because continuous process, they are in the water. When the water comes in, they started taking their food, and what happens? Immediately after taking, this will become a lower concentration. They move it to the outside. Again, this water high concentration, this comes in. This is called diffusion. See here, another how it is happening in amoeba. Just see the picture, diffusion. Just keep that in mind. From higher concentration to the lower concentration, the molecule moves. That is called diffusion. One sentence. Now, this is smaller, this one. Now we are going to the higher animals. Higher animals always we take as a man. First of all, in man, when I say transporting, what has to be transported? Energy has to be transported. Gas has to be transported. Some gas has to be sent out. All this is happening. For that, there is a main organ. The main organ we have, it is a four-chambered organ. It is a very lovable organ. And it is always, when you want to say something very, very, very nice means, oh, she is so sweet. She is so lovable. She is like a wholehearted person. Yes, why are we saying all that? Because heart is out of 4 chambers. It is working 24 hours. Even 1 second it cannot stop. That process it continuously is doing. That is why we call it is a main part of our body. Dear children, don't come and tell me right side my heart is paining. Mrs. It is their upper shoulder, my heart is paining. Your heart is below your left side chest. Almost it is above the chest part, little below the chest part left side, and the end part of the first part of the stomach. There only your heart is there. Hereafter don't come and tell me my heart attack. Please, your placement of heart, please learn it first. Okay, now here transport. How transport takes place? You need something. See, we cannot use bus, aeroplane, all that. We need something else. I told you about the heart. The heart got 2 people, main people. They are like pipelines. See, suppose you want to take water from the tank, everywhere you fix pipelines, yes or no? They are the 2 pipelines. One is veins, another one is arteries. Okay? These veins and arteries are the major tubes that connects from your head to toe. It is a network of tubes. Wherever there is artery, there will be a vein. If you look at the picture of arteries and veins, they would have showed you blue and red. Please children, don't think you have a blue color blood and red color. All blood are red in color. To show you, we are showing you like that. Why? These arteries carry pure blood. What is pure blood? This contain O2, what is needed, energy, and how much water is needed. All that it takes to the cells or to the tissues. These veins, here, these veins, they take rich of carbon dioxide and all the unwanted material which is in the body and take it to the heart or to the lungs to purify. That means it carries pure blood. This carries impure blood. Are you clear? Arteries carry pure blood. Veins carry impure blood. Here there is one change. That has to be always, you have to remember. Whenever you say all are good, there's one bad will be there. The same way, here pulmonary artery carries impure blood. Pulmonary vein carries pure blood. Can you understand, children? See, man have a heart, 4-chambered heart. It has got 4 chamber, I told you. From there, it has got two people. It has been distributed throughout the body. Wherever artery is there, nearby vein is there. Because in all places, it has to take dirty blood to the cleaning place. This has to take good blood to the whole part of the body. Okay? This carry dirty blood, this carry pure blood. Here one exception, pulmonary artery carries dirty blood, pulmonary vein carries pure blood.